We will draw this question, a 7-5 question number 3. O point is given on left side of diagram, right? So I will set front view, then sketch on front view. Then I will draw this base rectangle. It is of 120 by 35. O point is on left side, so I will draw rectangle on right side of vertical axis. So this rectangle is of 35 height and 120 length. Now the width of rectangle is 62. 28 plus 34 is equal to 62. So we'll get length of 62. 62 this direction. So this is a base rectangle. Base rectangle of 120 along y-axis, that is along z-axis 35 and along x-axis 62. Then on this face, on this front face, there is a semicircular hole. So I will draw a circle here. This circle is of diameter 40. Then the center point is lie on this line. Then the distance between vertical axis and center point is 40. And so this is a circle. Now this circle is fixed up. Now I will remove the material of circular shape for 20 mm. So I will give pocket of 20 mm. Then I had to add this part. This is a rectangle of 50 and height 30, and above this there is a semicircle. So I will draw this rectangle on to draw this rectangle, this rectangle is at a 28 distance from base side, that is from y is equal to 0, it is at 28 distance. It means that this rectangle and semicircle will start from y is equal to 28 and will end at y is equal to 62, right? So I will translate this plane along this direction at a distance of 28 mm, right? Now see this plane, this vertical plane is at a distance of 28 from y-axis. Now I will draw on this plane a rectangle, and then above that a semicircle. Rectangle, dimensions 50 concentric circle of inner circle is diameter 20. Now sketch this sketch will be this sketch will add material in this direction along at a distance of 34 mm. Okay, some modification are required in the sketch. See this is moving, so I will constrain it